He has written a letter. He has written a letter. Jen she warga gor. Jen she warga gor. He has written a letter. Jen she warga gor. I have cleaned my room. I have cleaned my room. An shadwella realika. An shadwella realika. I have cleaned my room. An shadwella realika. I have eaten my lunch. I have eaten my lunch. An chakwan shang darsham. An chakwan shang darsham, or you can say an chamit. Kakwan shang dar. An chakwan shang darsham. I have known her since 2015. I have known her since 2015. An chaja ngach. An chaja. An ngachaja ni karon kina dangro with well dh. An ngachaja ni karon kina dangro with well dh. I have known her since 2015. And ngachaja ni karon kina dangro with well dh. She has finished her work. She has finished her work. Jen shalada suk. Jen shalada suk. She has finished her work. Jen shalada suk. The ball was broken. The ball was broken. Shakure tiat. Shakure tiat. The ball was broken. Shakure tiat. The cake was baked by mom. The cake was baked by mom. Cake tale mama. Cake tale mama. Cake tale mama. The cake was baked by mom. Cake tale mama. The door was closed. The door was closed. Shatik gak. Shatik gak. The door was closed. Shatik gak. The kids have fallen asleep already. The kids have fallen asleep already. God shikatung nian. God shikatung nian. The kids have fallen asleep already. God shikatung nian. The toy was lost. The toy was lost. Sha toy bat. Or you can say toy shabat. Simply toy shabat. She toy bat. Ko toy tel Thok Nath. You can simply say Sha toy bat ki chi toy shabat. The toy was lost. They have seen the movie. They have seen the movie. Shike movie which. Or you can say shike movie nan, depending on how you understand it. Shike movie which, the real. Shike movie nan, the same thing. Shike movie which. Shike movie nan. They have seen the movie. Shike movie which. We have brought a new car. We have brought a new car. Here we can say that in our language, Shinei turbil mijidit kok. Shinei turbil mijidit kok. We have bought a new car. Shinei turbil mijidit kok. Ki paine kok turbil mijidit. Shinei turbil mijidit kok. We have played the game. We have played the game. Shinei ngar ngar. Shinei ngar ngar. Game mean ngar in Thok Nath. Played also ngar. Shinei ngar ngar. We have played the game. I have broken my favorite cup. No. You have broken my favorite cup. You have broken my favorite cup. She lera. Okay, the way we can translate it, we can say it. She lera manwakane jetiat. She lera manwakane jetiat. Cup mean leer. You have broken my favorite cup. She lera manwakane jetiat. Thank you for watching. Please follow for more and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.